Hey everyone, today we will take you through the step-by-step process of mastering influencer marketing to supercharge your business growth. Influencer marketing has redefined the marketing landscape, and we are here to provide you with the skills and strategies to wield this powerful tool effectively. Get ready for a hands-on journey into the world of influencer marketing and discover how to leverage it for your brand's success. So, let's jump in. Step number 1. Identify the right influencers. The first and most crucial step in harnessing influencer marketing for your business is finding the right influencers. It is not just about choosing the most popular figures, it is about selecting influencers whose content and audience align with your brand and objectives. Begin by defining your target audience. Understand who your ideal customers are, their interests, and where they hang out online. Once you have a clear profile, start searching for influencers who genuinely resonate with this audience. Consider factors like the influencer's niche, engagement rate, authenticity, and their ability to connect genuinely with their followers. Utilize tools and platforms to help you identify influencers who have the right audience for your products or services. Step number 2. Build authentic relationships. Building strong and authentic relationships with influencers is the foundation of a successful influencer marketing campaign. Remember, it is more than just a transaction. It is a collaboration built on mutual trust and respect. Initiate your communication with influencers through direct messages or email. Be genuine and express your sincere interest in working together. Explain how your brand aligns with their content and audience. As the collaboration progresses, maintain open and transparent communication. Discuss expectations, goals, compensation, and creative ideas. The more aligned your visions are, the smoother and more successful the partnership will be. Step number 3. Offer value beyond compensation. To attract influencers to collaborate with you, provide value beyond just financial compensation. Offering them your products or services for a first-hand experience is a powerful way to demonstrate your commitment to the partnership. Personalize your offerings to make influencers feel special and valued. When influencers genuinely experience what your brand has to offer, they can create more authentic and relatable content for their audience. Step number 4. Select collaboration methods. There are various collaboration methods with influencers, and your choice depends on your goals and budget. Let us explore these methods in detail. You can ask influencers to review your products or services. Keep in mind that the honest reviews are often most trustworthy, so don't expect all reviews to be entirely positive. Constructive feedback can also help improve your offerings. Running giveaway campaigns with influencers can be incredibly effective. These campaigns not only boost your brand's visibility, but also attract new followers and potential customers. Ensure that the prizes offered are valuable and that the contest rules are clear. Sponsored posts, where influencers create content featuring your brand, can provide excellent exposure. Encourage them to use relevant hashtags to maximize reach and impact. Collaborating on the development of new products or limited edition lines can generate excitement among the influencer's audience. This exclusive partnership can result in a unique and highly sought-after product, creating buzz around your brand. Consider guest posting on influencers' popular blogs. This not only exposes your brand to their readers, but also improves your SEO efforts. Focus on providing valuable content rather than solely promoting your products. Step number 5. Track and measure results. It is essential to track and measure the results of your influencer marketing campaigns. Utilize tools and analytics to monitor the performance of the influencer's content, such as engagement, clicks, conversions, and ROI. Compare the results to your initial goals and expectations. Did the campaign increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or boost sales? This data will help you assess the effectiveness of your influencer marketing efforts and make informed decisions for future campaigns. You have now learned how to expertly use influencer marketing as a powerful tool to grow your business. By identifying the right influencers, building strong relationships, offering value, selecting the right collaboration methods, and tracking and measuring results, you are well prepared to harness the potential of influencer marketing and elevate your brand's visibility. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to expertly choose the perfect influencer for your brand, a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you onto the next one.